Hi, it's Simon at Zone CCTV. Here is a short video to show you some footage of a recent CCTV installation at a primary school over in Wakefield. We installed 15 Hikvision IP Turret cameras, fully networked throughout the school using your full copper gigabit cable. The cameras have a great wide angle lens and the picture quality is stunning, certainly more than high definition. We often get asked what the picture quality is like at night time. Here is some footage to show this. The cameras have dark fighter technology, so with some low lighting, it actually produces a colour picture at night time as well as during the day. Zone CCTV specialise in commercial installations. We're based in Leeds and we provide a tailored solution for your company. If you'd like to give us a call, we're open 7 days a week and we can book in a site survey at your convenience.